These earthy, nutty, and warm cookie treats made from your staple holiday ingredients result in this delicious dessert that the kids will get excited for. Learn how to make easy gingerbread cookies with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, add the butterscotch pudding mix and unsalted butter, then beat until evenly incorporated. Add in the brown sugar and egg, then continue beating. Add the all-purpose flour, baking soda, ground ginger, and ground cinnamon, then beat once more until evenly incorporated. Roll it into a ball, cover with cling wrap, and let it chill for 1 hour or until firm. Once firm, place the dough onto a floured working surface and roll it to 1/4 inch thickness. Cut some gingerbread men with a cookie cutter, then place onto a greased baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, then allow to cool down completely. Dust the cookies with powdered sugar before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.